pieces of art.
Hello everybody, welcome to a new video. Today I am going to try again Nicole Martin's Aqua Lace. Now I'm not getting the same results that she gets, but I am getting some cool results, and I wanted to switch up some colors just a little bit, just to see if I could make a difference. So I'm seeing some schmutz in my So I am using Nic Pro medium viscosity resin. I'm using Molds and Shapes Geomold M series. And let's get started. So first is my white, and I am using Casting Craft. Nicole used Enoki for this, and that, I don't know if that's the difference. I don't know. But I do like the results that I'm getting as well. So this is what it looks like. It's kind of, it's strong, but still transparent. And we will put a napkin here. And this goes around the edge. This just goes around the edge. I'm using 40 grams of resin, and I used 10 drops of Casting Craft. Now I increased my white just a little bit from my last one. I have a video, but I haven't posted it, but I did post the picture of the result I got, and it was pretty cool. But on this one, I increased my white a little bit. I would like to see a little bit more of the Larimar around the around the edges. Whether 5 grams will do it or not, I don't know. But I increase it just a little bit. Okay, my next color is, and this is one of the change ups, I'm using Aster. Excuse me. Aster, oh, that's not Aster. Aster by Octopus Fluids. I wanted a purple, and I did try Dioxazine Liquitex, but it must have been like way too heavy. It didn't work at all, and I used quite a bit of it because I wanted it to be a dark purple, but that didn't work. So I'm using a little bit lighter of a resin ink, and this is 95 grams, and I used 9 drops of the Aster. That's going to go right into the middle, and it is pretty purple. My next color is Petrol. This is a new color for me. Well, it's not new to my stash, but I haven't used it up until recently, and I have been loving this color. It's like a turquoisey, very pretty color. And so you can see, yeah, let's see if I can, you can see the dark, deep green blue that it is. I'm gonna add that to this. This is just 10 grams. I used 4 drops of the petrol. Goes right into the middle. I don't even know if you're going to be able to see any of this or not. I don't know if it'll come through. I would like to make a bowl out of this if it comes out. So we'll see. My next color is this gorgeous peacock blue teal mica powder. You can see it color shifts from blues to purples and all the peacock colors. I love this stuff. It is so shimmery and sparkly that I've been trying to use it in a lot of different things. And you can see here, so I mixed I mixed 3 drops of this plum alcohol ink into it, but I didn't like mix it in. I just gave it a stir so it would have this, I wish you could see the color in here. It's so beautiful, the color. This mica powder is pretty light. Not sure why it's so light. I've never seen such a translucent mica powder, but this is 40 grams. I mixed 1 of these little scoops like this in there and 3 drops of the alcohol ink. And I am just going to loop this around. Look at how pretty that is. And I wanted to try putting a little bit in the middle. Not a lot, just a little. Don't know if it'll do anything. Now, I don't put a big push in here because my pushes have been taking away the effect. So my push is only going to be 15 grams, and I used 5 drops of enoki. I'm running very, very low on this. This is why I don't use it in everything. And then I used 1 drop of the plum alcohol ink. And I got this real pretty, like a lilac. That's what we'll call it. And this just goes in the middle. And then I am going to be putting some center in. This is just some stones, crushed glass, some glitter. It's a little bit of everything. This will be going in probably off camera because I have to wait until it comes in a little bit so that I know where to put it. But I will continue to torch this and put the center in, and that's it. We will see you when I demold this. Welcome back, everybody. I'm going to demold this. Curious how it came out. Oh, it's awfully pretty, isn't it? Woohoo! That is really pretty. So it looks like that color really didn't come in. The petrol didn't come in. It's very, kind of got lost in the purple. Very nice.